28th May, the Farmane Jung for UPSC aspirants this year. Prelims is around the corner. So much to do in so much less time. And in the words of OG Udit Narayan Saab, क्या करें क्या ना करें ये कैसी मुश्किल है. No fear, because your solutions are here. I am talking about a solution where hing lage na fitkadi and rang chokha. All you have to do is mark your calendars for all the coming Sundays this month. Because Sri Ram's IS is bringing to you on Unacademy platform cut and dried marathon sessions that you cannot miss. Let me tell you about all these sessions. Now, if you look at the screens, you would see that we will be covering for 8 hours on 7th of May and similarly on 14th of May. On 7th of May, the special marathon session that you see from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. We are going to cover geography, we are going to cover polity, economics, environment, history. Chalian sir, me, JC Sharma sir, Shivasankari ma'am, K. Shivesh sir, we are going to cover all the important topics for Prelims 2023. You cannot miss this marathon session, guys. You will have to cover this because here we are going to make sure that your Sunday was worth it. We are going to make sure that when you cover this session, you will be able to score well in your prelims examination because we are going to cover all the relevant important topics from all these subjects which have significance from the current affairs as well. In depth, all the topics will be covered with a complete coverage of all aspects of that topic. And that is not it. We have planned another session, another marathon, 8 long hours on 14th of May, where we will be covering all these topics that have been listed here, all these subjects that have been listed here by the same mentors, by the same guides, by the same teachers. You will be receiving important MCQs from the same topics. So it will be a holistic coverage. आपको सिर्फ एक चीज करनी है. You should make sure that you should wait for this session. Mark your calendars. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to the Unacademy UPSC Articulate channel and follow Sri Ram's IS on Unacademy. Now, that is not all, guys. There is one more important piece of information that I have to bring to you, and that is about current affairs. Now, you must have noticed, and many of you guys might have also attended various courses that have been offered by Sri Ram's IS on Unacademy. This is something really special. Now, we will be covering an important marathon session on the last Sunday before the exam. We will be covering important current affairs topics on the 21st of May, and that marathon session we will be covering all the subjects. So make sure throughout this entire week, throughout the coming week, make sure to wait for that Sunday, because these Sundays are going to be path breaking. Reason being that you guys might have been worried about what to cover, what not to cover. We here at Sri Ram's IS are going to make sure that you know what to cover. We here are also making sure that you cover those things in the right manner with the right approach. Expected questions क्या होंगे वो अगले Sunday cover होंगे 7th, 14th, 21st. Keep waiting for us because we are bringing to you really important stuff. I hope to see you there.